The challenge begins with how to pronounce his name. The first bit should sound like ni, the second like cha, Nietzsche. Then we need to get past some of his extraordinary and provocative statements. What doesn't kill me makes me stronger. God is dead, and we have killed him. And his large mustache. Friedrich Nietzsche was born in 1844, in a quiet village in eastern Germany where his father was a priest. He excelled at school and university, mastering Greek, and became a professor in Basel while still in his 20s. But his official career didn't work out. He gave up his job and moved to Sils Maria in the Swiss Alps, living quietly and writing masterpieces like The Birth of Tragedy and Thus Spoke Zarathusra. He didn't get on with his family, women kept rejecting him, his books didn't sell. At 44, he had a breakdown after seeing a horse beaten in Turin, running to embrace it shouting, "I understand you." But his philosophy was full of heroism. He was a prophet of self-overcoming, the Übermensch, rising above difficulties to embrace life. Nietzsche said envy is not evil, but a guide to what we want. He also attacked Christianity, calling it slave morality, turning weakness into goodness and forgiveness into virtue. He never drank alcohol, calling it a narcotic like Christianity. He urged, live dangerously. Build your cities on the slopes of Mount Vesuvius. God is dead was not celebration but a warning. Nietzsche believed art, music, and philosophy should replace religion. He admired Greek tragedy as moral guidance. Every era faces challenges. For Nietzsche, it was democracy and atheism. Yet he remains our fascinating mustachioed guide, teaching us how to become who we are.